We want Google to be a safe and trustworthy place for both our users and merchants. Here are a few things you can do to help build trust with your customers and to help us learn more about your business. Identity is important. Make sure your registered business name and domain name match your official business name. Your online reputation also influences your business identity. Be transparent by providing detailed info about your policies and standard operating procedures, showing customer reviews of your products or services, and telling customers how to contact you for support. Wrap all of that in professional-looking site design and strong data security, and you've taken your first steps to build trust with your customers. If you want to request a manual review of your account, here are some steps you can take beforehand. The more Google knows about your business, the better we can represent you to users. We may ask you to verify some information in your Merchant Center account to make sure we continue to provide a trusted platform for both merchants and customers. For more information, visit the Google Merchant Center Help Center.